UrgoStart Plus Border is a local treatment that reduces healing time, acting from day 1 to complete healing for leg ulcers, pressure ulcers and diabetic foot ulcers. After cleaning the wound as per local protocol, ped dry the wound with a sterile gauze. Remove one side of the protective transparent film and apply micro-adherent side of UrgoStart Plus Border to the wound bed. Then remove the other side of protective film and gently apply the rest of the dressing. To remove UrgoStart Plus Border, gently peel off one corner and pull horizontally. UrgoStart Plus Border can be used under compression. It is shower-proof and suitable for low to highly exuding wounds. Frequency of change should be adapted to level of exudate.